What's up guys, GGFOREX here, welcome back to my channel, and I've been trying to make this video for like 2 days. My computer keeps breaking, so I'm going to have to brief over the long setups and explanations of why I've got no setups with just screenshots, because it's not going to load properly. It's literally terrible. It's like trying to edit on old CCTV. It's rubbish. So we've had quite a roller coaster. Things aren't going well, not gonna lie, gonna say it how it is. Obviously, apparently we declared war last night, which destroyed me out of my EG trade. The EG trade that you guys don't know was the one I was trying to film and publish yesterday. It just wasn't happening. So I'm gonna show you a screenshot of my entries on that, which should be somewhere on the screen, and then I'll be showing you what the result is now. As you can see, it lost, right? I had 2 entries on that. One was at break even, one was at 0.45, so not quite 0.5% risk. I moved up slightly just to protect myself, so I've lost 0.45 on that. Even more frustratingly, GN keeps evading me, right? So this is gonna be a quick fire off of what's been happening over the last couple of days to keep you updated, because I can't explain it. It's not gonna be able to make a video long enough, right? GN keeps evading me, missed my first entry by 9 pips, missed my second entry by 2 pips, and it's falling out the sky. Missed my third entry completely altogether. It just keeps going down. I knew it was going down, but I just couldn't catch that wave, which is really frustrating. Another frustrating thing that's happened, GJ, right? I knew that was going down. I was in GJ for ages. It's been going sideways for the last 8 days, right? So one of my trades was moved to break even, or just past break even to like 0.2% of profit, and the other one was moved to break even, right? Because it was pushing down. It's making all the signs, and then price shot back up, took me out at 0.2% profit and break even by like 5 pips, and then the whole news thing came out last night, and it fell out the sky. So I would have been up like 4% now. So a lot of things are happening. A lot of things are very frustrating. And we could have new possible opportunities now because of that news. So obviously, when things are really bad in the world, the dollar gains strength, the pound and the euro, and I'm not sure what other currencies, but they get really weak. So obviously, if I can look for buys for the dollar pairs, I can look for sells for like GU and EU, and obviously gold will be going up as well. But yeah, there's a lot of things I can play out, but right now it's not looking good. So hopefully we have some setups coming up. Okay, right, let me show you the devastation of what has just happened. So I was in EG, and it was a beautiful sniper entry, as you see, and it pushed down and then pushed up. So if it breaks this high and closes above, maybe we have a re-entry, but I doubt it, because from the news, the war and everything, the pound and the euro are going to suffer. So they're both going to be really weak anyway. Yay war, that ruined that plan, didn't it? So that's gone. CAD yen, possibility. Obviously the yen's going to be strong, the dollar's going to be strong. Not sure about the CAD, but it is showing weakness, so this is another possible entry on the CAD. Have a look and just following this is 8-hour time frame as well, so 8-hour order flow. We had a strong push to the downside, broken and closed below this, made more targets, so I'm hoping price flags back and then triggers me in, and then we've got equal lows here, equal lows there, and we are on a massive trend line liquidity trail. So that's a high probability trade if it plays out, if it retraces. EJ, same sort of situation, euro's weak, yen's going to be strong. I'm seeing evidence in that as it is. We've got 2 pools of liquidity. We have a strong impulse zone where price came out. So yeah, I'm waiting for price to come back and flag to that. I wouldn't want it to really take my targets. If it does take these targets and then make more, great, but we'll have to adjust our entry then, because it will be a long way away. USD CHF came into my point of interest, which is this daily. It didn't really break structure strong enough for me, so I stayed out of it. But now it's made a higher low, and if price closes above this, this could be a possible re-entry area around this zone. So that could be a possible re-entry, targeting equal highs up there. As I said, dollar is strong, so targeting these highs up there. And if you have a look at the DXY is just going to the moon. Obviously, as I said, when times are bad, dollar, yen, chef, and gold gain a lot of strength. Euro and pound get really weak. What else we got on here on the radar? EU, again, looking for sales. Price broke this trend line and I'm waiting for it to flag back. If it does, I'll be amazed, but from the news and everything at the moment, everyone's going to be scared and running away. Actually looking for a re-entry on this is going to be probably quite difficult. So that might be a next week or the week after that play for price to actually retrace controllably, because again, it's already like 140 pips away from where I want to get in the market, so that's going to take time to come back. GU, same situation, it's completely fallen out the sky. I need price to retrace. It's not going to happen anytime soon, but at least we have a direction of where things are going now. AU, same sort of situation, price is falling. I need to retrace. So as you can see, there's a lot of setups that could happen, but you need to wait for it to retrace. And with the news at the moment, Putin, Russia, and NATO forces going in, there's conflict and there's fighting, people are going to be scared, and it shows out on the markets. So everyone's taking risk out of the occasion, whatever, and they're putting it into more safe havens: dollar, Swiss, yen, gold. So I need to wait for those setups to happen, but because price is so bearish or so bullish at the moment, very impulsive, it's going to take a long time for price to come back, correct itself, and then go. So yeah, we do have setups and 7% down. It's not looking great, but I've learned a lot. Let me just show you GJ actually, because this is, I've predicted this on GJ. And I can't remember if my last video was saying about this. I'll still in it. I think it was for straight in price action. If it is, the link is up there. I was explaining exactly what I wanted to happen here, and now it has happened. But before it did, it took me out at just a very small profit, very small, which is very frustrating, but it is what it is, right? So if price makes more targets, hopefully down here, and then flags back, this could be a possible area where I would like to get in. Maybe in this daily zone, I don't know, but yes, it's frustrating. It's frustrating because I was in a winning trade. It took me out break even basically, and then come back. So yeah, it's not looking great, but it's not over yet. I've been in worse situations and pulled it back. So we'll see. I've got a month, 5 weeks roughly. I've got 5 weeks to make 7%, and then I get a free retake. That's all I'm going for, just 7%. So I've done it before, I can do it again. Right guys, so that is a quick update for you of what has happened, what's been going on. Sorry I can't do long breakdowns and properly go into detail about why I did certain trades, because it was a beautiful textbook entry on EG that didn't work out, but I was protected. The first one anyway. I can't do that because it takes so long to edit on this. It would just be a bad experience for both of us, and it won't even render a 20-minute video anyway. It just crashes my computer. I've tried it 3 times, it doesn't work, so I do apologize about that. So I'm gonna have to do these quick, brief overviews until I get a new computer to actually help you guys out properly with the edits. So it's not good, it's not over. I've been worse, but it's not over till Fat Lady sings, and I'm the fat lady. So like, share, subscribe. I'll let you guys know what happens next.